Hi, it's Reese again. Introducing you to our new online stores. We've got a USA store and we've got a UK store. They're not exactly the same in what they stock, but there's nothing to stop you going between one and another. And I mean, the only difference will be the shipping cost, which obviously that's the whole point of having a UK store for our UK clients, customers. We don't want you paying the higher costs. Okay, there are some other groups of shirts in here with some of our colleagues, but ours is primarily the pugs part. All right, so firstly, it does work on a mobile phone, but it's a bit fiddly. You've got to keep on squeezing and moving the screen up and down and in and out. It's a lot better to do it on a desktop or a big tablet, an iPad for instance. The way we're going to do it is we're going to direct you to the Designs tab. So from an advert, we're going to direct you to the Designs tab and then the Pugs tab. So this is typically the screen that you will see. Obviously we're changing some of this and we're going to make it a bit more user friendly. But the way to use it, I'm just going to run through how to use it. So you would come down here and lots of designs that some of them you will have seen before. Some of them will be new to you. Lots and lots. Coming down to, I think we've got them over 2 pages. So there will be a few on the other page on the next page. So keep your eye open for having 2 pages or even 3 as we go along. So you come on to the design page. You find a design that you like. Alright, you're a pug, Harry. Let's click on him. You get a good view. You get a big view of what that design is like. And then when you get onto this next page, you then get all the shirts and bags and an iPhone cover that you can have. So we've gone from just having the one main t-shirt and a hoodie and occasionally a women's v-neck. We've now gone to the whole range on every single design. So if I wanted that bag, for instance, I'd click on that bag and you would get your bag on there, and you can customize it. All right, so I'm going to come back and add it to cart. Obviously I'm going to go back because I want to use a t-shirt just for a minute. So there are different shirts, there are v-necks, there are children's, girls, boys, dog hoodie. Let me use this dog hoodie because this is new. So click on the dog hoodie. And this has now been put on the dog hoodie. Quite straightforward. If you want to buy it, you just click add to cart and off you go. You've got different colours down here, so you can click on pink, it'll change automatically, blue and black. Not very good on black obviously, so you wouldn't pick black. So up to you. Some of the designs have got far more colours than the others, and then you've got your sizes that you can have for each individual item. Some of the t-shirts will go up to 5XL. So really big sizing, which a lot of you have asked for. If you look down here, 5XL. Okay, this is customizable. You can click customize this product. You don't need to do this on most of them, but if you wanted to, if you sort of looked at that and thought, do you know what, I think I'd rather have this a little bit bigger. So you could then, all you do is drag that, push that across a bit, and then you've got a really big one. Alright, if you wanted to say add text, you could say my pug, you could say whatever you wanted to obviously. My pug, add the text. It's in red or orange, maybe you didn't want that. So you could come up here and you could change that to green. Alright, you could change the font. and click OK. Alright, so it's very customizable. You don't have to do this. We will do this for you for $10. Alright, so it's just a blanket. If you want something designed, we'll do it for $10. Most of this you can do yourself. You don't need to pay any extra, but we will offer you that choice if you want. And then basically when you've got all this, then you just carry on. You go add to cart and off you go. So we think this is a big improvement on what you've got at the moment. You can also do your own. I'll be covering this a bit more in another video, but if you wanted to add a design, you could then bring in a picture of your pug, for instance, get rid of this one, put your pug on the front and carry on. Very flexible. The people that have used it for some of our name shirts have really thought that this is great. But the thing I'm going to stress is you really shouldn't be doing this on a mobile phone. This is not going to work very well on a mobile phone at the moment, even though we are working on a solution. But don't get put off. Just, you know, wait until you get home and do it on a computer, because it's what you can do from the, you know, the comfort of your own home to adapt a shirt, to order a shirt for children, for women's V-neck, for men's, big sizes, for iPhone cases. We think it's really good, and I hope you do as well. Okay, so this is Reese. I'll be bringing more videos soon regarding some of the other things that we have to introduce to you. Thanks.